Wells Fargo's mobile deposit feature allows you to deposit paper checks directly from your smartphone, saving you a trip to the bank or ATM. To get started, ensure you have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account, are enrolled in online banking, and have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your iOS or Android device. Open the app and log in. Then tap the deposit or mobile deposit icon, usually found under the account overview. Select the account where you want to deposit the check. Now let's focus on capturing and submitting your check through the Wells Fargo mobile app. Start by entering the exact check amount in the designated field within the app. Next, take clear, high-quality photos of both the front and back of the check. Ensure the check is placed on a completely flat surface with even, bright lighting. Make sure all four edges of the check are fully visible in the photo, and avoid any shadows or blurriness that could cause the deposit to be rejected. Before taking the photos, endorse the back of the check by clearly writing "For mobile deposit only" and then signing your name. This endorsement is required and helps prevent fraud. After capturing the photos, carefully review all the information you've entered, including the check amount, and double-check the images to ensure they are clear and complete. Once you're satisfied with everything, submit the deposit. The app will immediately confirm receipt of your submission and provide a unique tracking number so you can monitor the status of your deposit. Important: keep the original paper check in a safe place until the deposit has fully cleared. Most deposits clear within 1 to 2 business days, though holds may be applied for new accounts or larger amounts to allow time for verification. Once the deposit clears, you can safely destroy the paper check. Finally, remember that mobile deposit has some limitations. International checks are not accepted, and cashier's checks over $5,000 cannot be deposited through this feature.